Going Places by A.R. Barton. He's a very famous English modern writer. Okay. So the story deals with the theme of adolescent fantasizing and hero worshipping. Okay, in this story there are two characters, Sophie and Jancy. Sophie and Jancy. There were two characters. Okay. They both were very good friends. Okay. And they belong from a lower middle class family. Okay. Understood? Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. So, Sophie's behavior is like, she is like a daydreamer. Okay. She is a daydreamer. What is daydreamer? दिन में सपने देखने वाले लोग, मतलब आंखें खोल खोल के सपने देखते, राइट? Not while sleeping. Okay, that is called daydreaming. कहाँ पे ख्यालों में खोए हुए रहते हैं, right? Okay. And Jancy? Yes. She is a practical type of a girl. She can differentiate between reality and fantasy. Yes. Okay. Fiction or non-fiction, you can also say. Reality and fantasy. Okay. So basically, the story begins with when they were walking. They were walking on the street and they were going back to the home. Then suddenly, Sophie says that one day she will open a boutique. Okay. That one day, Sophie will open a boutique. Okay. That one day Sophie will open a boutique. And Jancy is that type of a girl. She is a realistic type of a girl. She knows about reality and fantasy. So what she says, that how will you open a boutique? It would take a lot more money than you think. Okay, how will you manage that? Okay. Then Sophie further says that one day she will become a manager. कि एक दिन वो क्या बनेगी? Manager बनेगी. ठीक है? Understood? That one day she will become a manager and will save money from that, and from that money she will open a boutique. Okay. Then Jancy again says, it is not easy to become a manager. It is not easy to become a manager. First you have to assist a manager, then you will go to the manager post. Okay, understood? It is not that easy. Okay, to become directly into the manager post. First, you have to become an assistant, then you can become a manager. Then Sophie again says, okay, I will not become a manager, but I will become an actress. कि मैं एक्ट्रेस बन जाऊंगी. चलो ठीक है, मैनेजर भी नहीं, तो मैं क्या बन जाऊंगी? एक एक्ट्रेस. शी इज फैंटेसाइजिंग. चलो ये नहीं तो ये नहीं तो ये, लाइक दैट. ओके. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट शी सेज, शी विल बिकम अ manager, right? First she wants to open a boutique, then to become a manager, then an actress. Okay. Then Jancy again says that if you want to become an actress, then you should learn acting. Okay. Do you know acting? She thinks about it for a while and then she says, okay, not actress also. I will become a fashion designer. What she will become? She will become a fashion designer. Lastly. Okay, here's the series. First, she want to open a boutique. Okay. Then Jancy says, it would take a lot more money than you think. Then she says, okay then, I will become a manager and save money from that. And from that money, I will open a boutique. Okay. Then Jancy again says, कि इतनी ज्यादा पहले ही कोई मैनेजर नहीं बन जाता है. First, you have to become an assistant. Then you can become a manager. Okay. Okay then. Sophie says, okay, I will not become a manager, I will become an actress. When Jancy again says, क्या आपको acting आती है? Do you know acting? Okay, then she thinks about it sometime. तो उसने तो नहीं सीखी acting. Then she says, lastly, I will become a fashion designer. Then Jancy again says, have you learned any kind of fashion or embroidery? Then she is like, it's easy. I will manage somehow. Then she says, I will manage somehow and will open a boutique. Okay. Then after that, what happens? Jancy reminded her. Jancy उसे याद कराती है that your father won't allow it. Won't allow for what? Won't allow to open a boutique. Okay, आपके फादर अलाउ नहीं करेंगे आपको बुटीक खोलने में. ठीक है? क्यों नहीं चाहते? There is a reason. There is a reason behind it, and the reason is they are earmarked to work in a biscuit factory. ठीक है? Earmark means तय किया हुआ. ठीक है? उन दोनों को बोला गया है पहले से ही कि स्कूल पास आउट करने के बाद यू विल वर्क इन अ बिस्किट फैक्ट्री. दैट दे वर earmarked to work in a biscuit factory. Okay. Okay. So they both कौन Jancy and Sophie. Jancy and Sophie earmarked Right? Understood? Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. So they both were earmarked for the biscuit factory. ये पहले से ही तय किया गया है उनके फादर से कि वो लोग कहां पे काम करेंगे, एक बिस्किट फैक्ट्री में. ओके. Then Jansi says, you won't get enough money in a biscuit factory. Okay. क्योंकि एक फैक्ट्री है, फैक्ट्री में लेबर का सैलरी उतनी नहीं होती है. सो दे विल गेट सम पेनीज. पेनी, डू यू नो व्हाट इज पेनी? कुछ चंद पैसों में उन्हें सैलरी मिलेगी. ओके. सो व्हाट Jansi says, then what Sophie says? Then Sophie says, don't worry, I will somehow manage and I will collect money working as a laborer in a बिस्किट फैक्ट्री. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. बिस्किट फैक्ट्री में जो भी मेरे को पैसा मिलेगा मैं उसे सेव करूंगी एंड देन आई विल ओपन अ बुटीक. ओके. देन Jansi अगेन सेज, व्हाट Jansi सेज, अगर तुम पैसे जमा भी कर लो देन डोंट बाय अ बुटीक. ओके. कि बुटीक मत खरीदना या बुटीक ओपन मत करना. जस्ट बाय अ हाउस फॉर योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, अगर आप पैसे जमा भी कर लो तो उससे क्या खरीदना, आप एक घर खरीदना. ओके. अंडरस्टूड? सो व्हाट शी सेज, if you ever come into money, you will buy us a blessed decent house to live in. Okay. So Jansi उसे ऐसा बोलती है. Okay. Then Sophie says, Sophie's father was scooping shepherd's pie into his mouth. What is shepherd's pie? You know what is a shepherd's pie? ब्रिटिश या अमेरिकन कल्चर में क्या होता है, ड्यूरिंग देयर ब्रेकफास्ट दे ईट डोनट्स, पाए. उनका ये ब्रेकफास्ट का कल्चर है. ठीक है, जैसे इंडिया का क्या है, टी. राइट, सबसे पहले हमें चाय चाहिए होती है. बट वहां पे अमेरिकन कल्चर में क्या होता है, ब्रिटिश कल्चर में क्या होता है, दे प्रेफर हैविंग स्वीट. बेसिकली स्वीट थिंग्स उन्हें ज्यादा पसंद है ड्यूरिंग द ब्रेकफास्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक डोनट्स. ओके. और पाई, जो नॉर्मल पाई होता है, शेफर्ड्स पाई, बेसिकली एप्पल से बना होता है ये. ठीक है. सो ही इज हैविंग शेफर्ड्स पाई. ओके. एंड व्हाट एल्स शी थिंक्स, सोफी थिंक्स दैट मनी ग्रोज ऑन ट्रीज. ओके. एंड हर डैड रिमाइंड्स हर ऑलवेज. ओके. उसके पिताजी क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें, उसके फादर, दैट Sophie thinks money grows on trees, don't she? That said little Derek. ठीक है, ये कौन बोलता है? Derek. Who is Derek? Derek is Sophie's little brother. Okay. Sophie's younger brother. Okay, who is Derek? Derek is Sophie's younger brother. What he says? She thinks money grows on trees, don't she, Dad? Okay. Understood? Any doubt, any confusion? Okay, we will continue this tomorrow. Okay.